So hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So hope you all are fit and fine, and this is your CA aspirant Umesh Kumar. So guys, I have ordered my Google Drive classes of CA Inter advanced accounts from CA Praveen Jindal sir. So today I have received the study material for advanced accounts, which is paper number 1 in the CA Inter new course, and it consists of two modules. I have only received the module 1. Sir earlier sir told us that the recordings and the books were in process, so every student will receive the study material by the end of the September months. So they have started delivering the uh, study material to the students. The delivery will be done on FIFO basis, means order wise delivery will be done, and whenever I will receive that module 2, I will record the video of unboxing and add that video to the end of this video. So without wasting any more time, let us unbox the module 1 advanced accounts of CA Inter new course. And if you haven't subscribed the channel yet, please do subscribe it, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos.
Star frozen to the sky. The summer was alive, going to the end of time. I can see the deadline. Eyes were perfect. Is it really the end? Just so like a stranger, so far away from me. You said you're running for me, but I managed from our story. Baby, don't be sorry for me. Gonna just perfect story.
So guys, this was the module 1 and 2 of advanced accounts, and the module 3, which is a MCQ booklet. The recordings and the study material of module 3 will be received by students very soon. Thank you.